going on, Rep Fam? Finally, these arrived. Thank goodness. We have the Dior lows from KicksUp. What's up from KicksUp? All right, nice little printout. Got our dust bags, envelope, insoles, and the normal, just show these real quick, the normal inside here laces, cream laces, empty bag, and should be the little emblem. Awesome, sweet. The box turned out really well. They bubble wrapped that, packaged it up, good to go. So again, I really wanted the box for these special box and have it come in a good shape. All right, but let's get down to what really matters. Let's move this out of the way. All right, the low. Give that a feel. When you touch the tongue of the Dior's, you can feel it's like a softer leather, and there's sort of a, it's not I wouldn't say like a smooth feel, but you can feel some sort of like a softness to it that makes your finger sort of rub against it differently. Hard to explain, sorry, but you can definitely feel it compared to a normal Jordan. All right, here we go with the Dior logo swoosh. All right, not too thin or anything. Toe box, great. Icy blue, nice and icy blue. Back, nice and clean in my opinion. Printed. We got our number inside. Let's get the light. Oops, sorry, you can see that. And here we go, the plastic inside to hold the form of the shoe in the toe box. Zoom in here. You can see the pattern nicely done on the tongue, clean. That off-white color. Tongue tag, good. The laces you can see with the metal endings on them that have Dior written on them. Get more of that instead of my finger. There we go. And then the little tag that goes on with that. Here's the other side. Swoosh. So this one, whoops, this one's definitely looking clean. No weird creases in the leather. Like I did have a little bit of crease on my other, my highs, I should say, sorry. There we go. Just a little bit of glue on the bottom, but not a problem at all. Back of these, some icy blue. Dior print with the size. I don't know if that's supposed to be there or not. Either way, it doesn't matter. But just showing you for the effects. And so I've seen this on video. So in person, the laces look fine, but on camera you can see it looks like a purple hue, right, in the camera, which could just be the lighting and how it's picking it up. But in person, they look totally gray normal. So I wouldn't worry about that at all, if that's something you noticed. Here we go with the toe area. Should have done that with the other shoe. So I am finally glad to have these. All right, let's get these cleaned up and put on feet and see how they look. All right, thanks guys.